I'm Anil Kumar, and here is a solution to your test problem on sequences and series. It's a thinking question. The question is write a general term, not recursive, for the sequence 2, 10, 30, 68, 130, 222, 350, 520, and so on. Now, how do you write a general term? Now, if you observe, the numbers are rapidly going up, right? So it could be geometric, but the geometric formula doesn't work. It is 2 times 5 and then 10 times 3, and this is times 2 point something, and it's almost 2 times. So the power is actually kind of decreasing, right? It's not an exponential increase. So in such case, what we should do is we should rely on finite difference, and that is indeed the key to solve this question. So let me rewrite these numbers and we'll find the finite difference. So we have the numbers as 2, and then the next number is 10, 30, 68, 130, 222, 350, and 520 for the time being. So others will follow. So what we are trying to do now is writing finite difference. We'll do finite difference. So let's find out the first finite difference. So first finite difference here should be, so we'll do, that is to say 10 minus 2, right? 10 minus 2. Here we'll do 30 minus 10, 68 minus 30, and so on, correct? 130 minus 68, and so on, right? So what I will do here is that I will use calculator so that we can quickly find the answer, right? So we'll do this difference here, this difference, correct? So we'll likewise find the finite difference. I will suggest that you can now pause the video, solve the question further, find the answer, and then check with my solution, right? At times I do a lot of mistakes, calculation mistake. I'm relying on this calculator now. So it is 10 minus 2, the first one, is 8 for us, and then we have 30 minus 10, and that is equals to 20 for us. Then we have 68 minus 30, and that is 38. 130 take away 68 equals to 62. 222 take away 130 equals to 92. 350 take away 222 equals to 128. 520 take away 350, 520 take away 350 equals to 170, right? So like this we get the first difference. Well, it doesn't really help us much, so we'll find the second difference, right? So let's write second difference like this. Okay, so again we'll find the second difference now for these numbers. I hope you're also solving on your own, so I'll suggest further, please solve and then find the answer. So now we'll do 20 minus 8 equals to 12. It is a test review, so you should, right? 38 minus 20 equals to 18, and then we have 62 minus 38 equals to 24. 92 take away 62 equals to 30. 128 take away 92 equals to 36. You do see a pattern, right? 170 take away 128 equals to 42, right? So we do not get a constant term, but we do see a pattern. Now the difference, second difference is increasing by 6. So we can now find the third difference. So third difference will be 18 minus 12, 24 minus 18, 30 minus this, and we know that this third difference indeed is 6, correct? So it is 6, which is constant. Now what does that indicate? If first difference is constant, it's linear. If second is constant, it's quadratic. And if third difference is constant, it is cubic, right? So we know it is cubic equation, right? So it is cubic in nature. So n cube is involved. Do you understand? That is what it means. So let's write these with term numbers. This is first term, second term, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, right? Now I'm saying cubic, that means we have to find a relation where n cube is involved, right? N cube. Now first term, do we have some relation? What is 1 cube? 1 cube is 1, but the number is 2 here. For the second term, it is 2 cube. Now so let us see. So what we will do is we'll try to figure out. So 1 cube is actually 1, and for 2 we have 2 cube, which is 8. For 3 we have 3 cube, which is 27, right? But what do we have? We really have 2 here, not 1, which we can get by plus 1. Here we have 10, not 8, which we can get by plus 2. 30, not 27, but plus 3 can work, right? So do you see a pattern? Yes, we do. So we can say that Tn for us, the general term could be n cube plus what? Now that number is same as n, right? Plus n, right? So n cube plus n. Let us check, does it really work? Let's find out T5. So T5 should be 5 cube plus 5 using this formula, right? So what is that? So let's find out 5 cube, and then we do plus 5 equals to 130, right? 130, which works 130, right? So therefore this formula works, and so we have our formula now, and the answer is that Tn equals to n cube plus n. So that is how you can find general term for the given sequence. So finite difference is a very good technique to solve such questions. I hope that helps. Thank you.